Hey cuties! So today, there's a stain on my sheet. So today, hey. Honestly, did my cat put his butt on there or something? Like what? It is chocolate. So today I am going to be doing a surprise bag unboxing. I did one of these probably like 4 or 5 years ago, a very long time ago. I recently was on a road trip to a bunch of small towns because if you guys don't know, my boyfriend and I do a series called Ausam Eats. It's a a conjoined word of both of our names, Austin and Samantha. I don't like to be called Sam, but Samantha. Awesome Eats. Because our vlogs are awesome vlogs because they are awesome vlogs, to be honest. We go to different small towns and we feature restaurants. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to put episode 1 and 2 in the description box down below for you guys to check out. But during episode 2, we went through a bunch of small towns and small towns to get to those small towns. So we were going through a bunch of small towns. So everywhere we would stop, I had this like idea just to grab surprise bags at every gas station or restaurant or place that we could that sold them, because when I was in them, I noticed there were so many surprise bags everywhere. So I don't remember which ones were which, but I got one in Carlisle, Saskatchewan, Regina Beach, Regina, and then Kipling was this one. So these are all the different surprise bags that I got. So we're just gonna unbox some small town surprise bags. I got 2 of these. They were at 2 different places. They were in 2 different small towns. They're probably gonna be the same, but let's just go and open one of them first and let's see what we get. The surprise bag just looks like this. It has a bunch of stars and it says candies, toys, and novelty. So we'll see what we get out of here. These ones I don't remember how much they were. I am very sorry, and they do not say. But let's just open it up. Surprise! Let's give it a go. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute! Frozen candy sticks. A little stale. It's a vibe. What is this? Candy Money Rockets. I love surprise bags. It's such a good surprise. Me trying everything. I don't really like rockets, but I think in the States you guys call these Smarties. But yeah, $1. $10. We hit the jackpot. I don't like rockets. I'm sorry. Everyone's like, we don't want to see you gag. And I'm like, well then don't feed me rockets. Tiger Pods. What? Hi-ya. Okay, girl. What else is in here? This is a sure rush. So far, there's no toys or novelty. We have a double bubble pop. You know what? I'm gonna save this. I'm going to the lake right away here, and I'm gonna save this and eat it to the lake. We're just doing an unboxing. I don't need to taste everything. I'm like eating everything. A double bubble. These I don't really like. These to me are super hard and like the flavor lasts. Ugh. Me mad. You know what? This is a good value so far. I'm pretty sure this couldn't have been more than a couple dollars. So like buy Pez. I like Pez. Raspberry Pez. Now I've never tried raspberry Pez. Girl, we're gonna get this for later too. I actually like that. Oh my goodness, another double bubble pop. This one's a tiny one. Oh, it's so little. And then we have tropical tropical rockets. What? Me gagging at rockets before and now me eating them. Those are so good. Oh my god. That was like orangey. Let's try the yellow one. Like pineapple. And then we oh, everyone laughing at this extension. We have, this is me. This is a little T-Rex. Or is this a Brontosaurus? Girl, go back to grade 2. I love him. We're gonna keep him. What should we name him? Fred of mine? Yes, we named him Fred of mine. Why? Because he has a friend in me. He's a friend of mine. His name's also Fred, but it's a friend. Okay, anyway, Samantha, we are done this surprise bag. I need to open this one. I am so intrigued by this. I have a little clip of me purchasing this. It had a little stand, and the stand said candles, so I have no idea if this was a candle surprise bag or if it was just the shelf it was on. This was so weird. It was in a pharmacy, but there was also a Tim Hortons built into the pharmacy, and then they had surprise bags of their own, which were $5 in the pharmacy bags. I had to get this. Let's open this up. This is the one that was in Kipling, I'm pretty sure. What is in here? Okay, wait. Make every dollar count. Oh, they want us to get some. Okay, so if anyone, you know, wants the perks, you get money with your pharmacy thing. What is this? Oh, well, this is like a pharmacy surprise bag. What? Hey, girl. repels mosquitoes for up to 6 hours. Like I just said, I'm going camping. This is actually kind of sick. For $5? Girl, what? I'm so glad I'm doing this like right now. I know I keep saying going camping, no one cares. But like, how great is this to get something like this right before you're about to go camping? Ooh, it smells bad, but it's plant-based. Natural. Okay, well, we'll see how it works. Okay, what else is in here? Stay up to date with our new products. They want us to have them on Facebook, so like them on Facebook. What else is in here? Oh, a can. Oh, this smells good actually. A candlestick. This would be good, you know, for a candle, but it will also be good like if you're in a horror movie and it's like an old school one and all the lights go out, the power goes out, and you light it and you're like, hello, is there anybody there? Hello, I like this. What's the, something's fuzzy. This is the greatest surprise bag ever. Everyone needs to go here and get this. Oh my God, I'm going back here. Look at this scrunchie. Girl, calm down. This is Adriana by Howard. So it's like velvety, and then it has this like charm on it that like it matches this. Like, oh my, like what? Hi, and then this matches my outfit today. How cute. Nail clippers? Nail clippers. I'm so happy about this surprise bag. This is way more value than $5 already, like guaranteed. I always need these. A little charger, and it's pink. Hi, girl, like what? And the very last thing, our earrings. What? I can't. These are cute. Girl, what? Look at these earrings. I'm shook right now. I was shook. I didn't know what I was gonna get in this surprise bag. That is the greatest surprise bag I have seen. We're gonna calm down on that now. And let's just go with this other one next. Just because I feel like it's just gonna be the same kind of things as the second last one, but let's just whiz through it quickly. Yeah, original rocket. What? These are these bouncy frogs where you go like this. I love these. So you go like this and then you, and he hops like a frog. Bye. Oh my, this is like the greatest, this is the greatest day of my life. No, they're kind of different. There's a Tootsie Pop now, which are way better than the Blow Pops, which I think I'm gonna bring that to the lake. We have more of this Candy Money rocket. Oh, a bracelet, girl, okay. We're here for it. What? Was it just supposed to be that big? Oh, okay. Well, it's too big for me. Is it a hair tie? I don't know. More Candy Money rockets. What? Strawberry popping candy. And then we have green apple popping candy, but I feel like that's a Shopkin. Or is it not? Is that a Shopkin? I don't know, but there's strawberry. And then this one is the green apple one. It just looks like that. These are very interesting. They're just like Pop Rocks. Oh. Pop Rocks. And then we have these little treasures. We have 2 caramels, which are some of my favorite things ever. This is gonna be like my road trip snack. I'm not kidding. I'm bringing a lot of this with me for my road trip snack. What are these? McCormick's pineapple, McCormick's strawberry, and McCormick's green apple. Let's try these. They're like little individual kind of candies. Okay, McCormick's, getting your name out there. They look like this. They have like little dots on them. They look like a little wafer. Creamy, chewy, great flavor. I like those. And the very last surprise bag we have looks like this. And this one was $2, if you guys can see there. Candy and or toys. 100 grams. This one seems like there's a lot, so let's go ahead and fun! Yummy! A little bag of gummy candies. So there is a peach ring in here, there's some gummy worms, some strawberry, a Coke bottle, and then a watermelon slice. Okay, what? I just saw. No way! These are the sickest things ever. Oh my God, I just recently bought one of these and I lost it. That is so weird. So my dad gave my brother one of these for Christmas and I loved it so much. So basically this is called a fortune teller fish, and you put it, you have your hand palm like this and it'll tell your fortune on the back here. So if you guys can see that, however it flops, you can pause this video and look. However it flops, that's how you're like feeling or your fortune or whatever. Let's go ahead and see what my fortune is. I'm so excited that these are in here. You like this? And then you put it here. Ready? Okay, so what did it do? Moving head and tail. In love! I love this thing so much. I'm bringing this to the lake too. In love? Well, I mean, the fish ain't wrong. What else? Oh, we have another bag of gummy candies. We got some suckers, some basic, oh, okay, bye then. Suckers. Oh, some fruticas. And then this just basic, yep, that kind of scares me. So I'm not even gonna attempt that. The fruticas. We have manzana and from Colombia. This one's pina, so is that pineapple? What's manzana, like apple? Maybe it's green apple. These are what these guys look like. That is so interesting. I love trying different candies like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Very good flavor. Nice and sweet, not sour at all, thank goodness. We like, mama like it. The very last little things in here are a scorpion ring, because girl, we are the scorpion. I love how everything I got pretty much is pink. Oh, do we love our new scorpion ring? This is like actually like high fashion. I'm wearing this. And then another weird candy. Okay, let me know what you guys think of this video. Do you guys like little surprise bag, mystery bag unboxings? Let me know. I actually had a really fun time doing this. I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna head to the lake now. And now I got some candy to bring with me, and I am actually very pleasantly surprised. Let me know if you guys would want to see more surprise bag unboxings, openings, mystery bags. And I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Scorpion Queen out. Bye guys!